How to earn money from online in 2023. There are many ways to earn money online, some of which include freelancing. Offer your skills and services on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. Selling products. Start an e-commerce store or use platforms like Amazon or Etsy to sell goods. Affiliate marketing. Promote other people's products and earn a commission for each sale made through your unique affiliate link. Online tutoring or teaching. Share your expertise and earn money by teaching or tutoring online. Content creation. Create and monetize a blog, YouTube channel, podcast, or other online content. Online surveys or market research. Participate in online surveys or focus groups to earn money. Investing online. Invest in stocks, bonds, or other assets through online platforms. Online game. Play games, bet on sports and earn money. It's important to note that earning money online often requires hard work and dedication, and may not happen overnight. It's also important to be cautious of online scams and to thoroughly research any opportunity before investing time or money. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe and like for more content like this.